Hey everybody! Today I have good news and I have bad news. Let's start with the bad news. I have COVID and I can't get home. I'm still in America, I'm still in New York, and I can't fly home to Germany. Now, before you get worried, the good news is, as you can see, my symptoms are super mild. I barely even feel it. It's like a very, very minor cold. So don't worry, I am fine. I'm just testing positive and I can't fly home. Another good news is that my friend Tom Sachs offered that I can stay in his vacation home until I'm testing negative. So this is fantastic because it's not only a very, very nice place to quarantine in, this place also has a full workshop in the basement. So there couldn't be a better place for me to stay. I have all the time in the world, I have a full shop in the basement, and I also have an idea for something that I want to build. Now the thing is, I only have my phone and my MacBook with me, but that's enough to make a video, right? Just know the style will be a little bit different from how I usually document my work. And the idea is pretty cool. I'm very excited for this. You probably know this situation. You're lying in bed, you're reading a book, you're getting super tired, but now you have to find your bookmark and have to switch off the light. And that process alone kind of wakes you up again, right? So I want to build a reading light that fixes this problem only with the stuff I have here. I don't want to buy anything. I can't go outside to get materials. I will MacGyver my way through this project, and I hope it works out. Let's try it. Let's start with the most complicated part, and that is definitely the switch mechanism. I found an old light switch here, but I want to turn it into something that is more automated. Here we go. I mean, to be honest, like I love it. I love it. It looks a little clumsy, but it is made of scraps, and it's such a quarantine project. I think it really tells the story of, oh my God, she had nothing else to work with. She made this with what was at hand. And it's a MacGyver lamp. If I would go back, I think you can make this lamp look super slick and nice, but I love the story behind this lamp, and I love how well the mechanism works. And I also love that this project really, really helped me pass the time. It's been 6 days now, 6 days by myself. So, whatever, I'm feeling fine. Just wanted to say that. I also wanted to say I feel fine because I'm vaccinated and I'm boosted. Just saying. Be safe, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope next week I can show you a video back from my shop. If not, I will do another MacGyver project. I love this. All right, guys. Thank you for watching, and hopefully next week I make another video from Germany. Bye.